Good morning, dear students. You are watching EduStar online class for grade 4. I am your English teacher, Malati. Let us see the portions completed so far. In Literature Reader, we have completed 1 to 6 lessons. And in Grammar Book, we have completed 1, 2, 4 to 8 topics. From today, we will start revision of the portions we have completed. So let us start from your Literature Reader, Lesson 1, How the Camel Got His Hump. Before we start the revision, write the classwork for Lesson 5, Unforgettable Christy Brown. Take your classwork note and the needed materials. Write neatly without making any spelling mistakes and draw lines neatly using scale and pencil. Don't forget to leave one finger space after every word. Take your time and do your work neatly. Well, let me tell the story in short. In the beginning, when the world was young, camels did not have humps like they do now. The animals had to work hard to help their friend man. Horse carried man on his back. Dog fetched wood for him, and the ox plowed fields for him. However, the camel was a lazy animal. He just stayed in the desert. He sat below a huge sand hill and ate cactus. When the other animals talked to him and urged him to work and come along with them, he just opened one eye and said, "Hump." One day, the horse came and asked the camel to share their burden of work and help the man. But the camel replied, "Only hump." The next day, the dog and the ox both went to the camel, but they also got the same reply, "Hump." The next morning, man went to the horse, dog, and ox and told that they would have to work even harder because the camel was lazy. The animals were very tired and angry. Suddenly, there came a jinn like a gust of wind. He stopped near the animals and asked them why they were angry and sad. The animals complained that because of the camel's laziness, they had to work a lot, which was unfair. They also said that the jinn that no matter what they say to the camel, his only answer was hump. The jinn consoled the animals and went to see the camel. He asked the camel why he didn't work like the other animals. As usual, the camel answered, "Hump." The jinn got angry and said, "Next time you say hump, you will really have a hump." And for this also, the camel said, "Hump." No sooner did he say this, hump, he got the hump on his back. The camel was surprised to see the hump and asked the jinn what it was. The jinn said that it was the hump which he always said. The camel started crying and asked why he had this hump on his back. The jinn replied that henceforth he will not eat all the time like before, but instead work like other animals. He will be able to store his food in his hump and work for days without eating. The jinn also said that he had earned this only because of his laziness. Now you all know how and why the camel got his hump. So children, you should not be lazy like the camel. Try to complete your work on time. Read this story from your literature book. Go through all the meanings given in the book. Understand and memorize the written work given in your classwork note. Now, based on this, I have prepared a worksheet for you. Write in A4 sized paper and send through email. Write the heading as you see on the screen. Let me explain you each Roman letter. First Roman letter. Using the letter A, complete the word pyramid. Here, in the first box, write a alone. That is, write only A. In the next two boxes, write an. That is, two-lettered word. Then continue to write with 3 letters, 4 letters, and so on. Roman letter 2. Replace the underlined words with a single word and rewrite the sentence. Here, you can refer the meanings from your literature book from lesson 1. I have done one for you. You can do the others. Next, Roman letter 3. Who am I? Next, Roman letter 4. Write 2 rhyming words for each of the following. Roman letter 5. Write the opposite word for the underlined word and rewrite the sentences. Here you can refer the opposites which are given in your classwork note for lesson 1. Next, Roman letter 6. Underline the silent letters in these words. Pronounce the word and you can find it, the letter which you don't pronounce it. Those letters are called as silent letters. For example, the first word climb, the letter B is silent. So, you can underline this letter. Likewise, you pronounce each word and find out the letter which is silent. Roman letter 7. Observe the pictures and using the first letter of each picture, make a word. I hope this will be very easy for you. Write the question as well as answers for the worksheet. Okay students, complete writing the classwork and worksheet and send it before the next video. See you in the next session. Bye.